Hey, good morning, guys. How we doing? Wanted to quickly cover Ethereum today. We'll be covering some other coins, but wanted to get this over to you guys. Yesterday, if you guys were over here on the website and you were following the entries for Ethereum, I know I don't usually show this. These are updating every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for all of our entries. If the lines don't update some days, it's because we're waiting for the first buy limit to get hit. But I wanted to show this to you guys, and I'll just show you a little bit down here so I keep the rest for our paid subscribers. But our first entry was called out on the 20th, which is September 20th, yesterday, and the first entry was 2,878.28. 0.28. Let me get over here. I want to change this because I actually had it at 2.6 when I was looking at it this morning. So this is 2.8. What I want you guys to do is actually manage this trade so you can guarantee yourself another winning trade for yourself and then also for this channel. Let me go over this really quickly. The reason why you guys want to come over here is literally I'm calling these out like every single day. There is a trade setup that you guys can take. It's $49 a month. That's why I wanted to stop there for a second. Every single day, come in here if you guys have extra money and click into any of these and you will literally see all the setups right now for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all that, guys. Literally, if you have $1,000, you place 25% of your trade allotment at each of the 4 lines below the current price, which is in the dotted line. Once the first buy limit is hit, you simply just exit at the the yellow line above the current price, okay? Also, what we're doing is once we are in a trade, we're managing it very well by looking at the trend exhaustion. In this case, I'm looking at structures right here where I expect to see a little bit of a move down. So let me recap this and I'll let you guys know what to do for this trade. Because I know there's literally hundreds of people in this because you guys saw, I'm actually in this trade right here to be fully transparent. I bought in up here at the buy limit. We had our second buy limit hit and our break-even price is right here. But as I told you guys on this channel, if you're following me and you're subscribed, if you guys get in now with the coins that I'm going to show you with our metrics, you're going to make money faster than even I am. So I want to call this profitable exit out for you guys so you can take this win. And then it's kind of cool because this is actually our 39th for 39th winning trade on this channel, which is kind of fun. So what I want to do for you guys is all of you who got in yesterday, you guys can clearly see that was updated yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which let me be even more transparent. I'm putting dates on everything so you guys can see this now. If you come over here and you go down to the 1 hour chart, you need to look at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 20th. That was right here. So 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on the 20th. That's when you guys got the signal. The price lollygagged for about 6, 7, 8, 9 hours and then hit your guys' actual buy limit down here, okay? And now you're currently in the profit. Plenty of time to get into that signal. That's why you guys want to follow this. Here's my exit call, guys. I'm calling a 50% exit right now at 5.02% profit. So go ahead and take 5.02% profit. Awesome. Exit 50% because we're still in this strong downtrend. I know we're at the bottom here, but I'm going to be covering some things today on Dogecoin. I'm going to try to get to SOL and also VET today, but I do see some things where this whole Evergrande deal, where basically China's biggest real estate investment company, they borrowed $300 billion and they're not making their interest payments, long story short. So it's affecting the market a lot. I want you guys to exit 50% right now, and then I want you guys to move the rest of your position, which would be the remaining 50%, to a stop loss, or basically a sell stop at your entry, which is simply just 2,878.28. The great thing about this is you're guaranteed to win this trade now because you're taking profit now, and if this thing starts moving up, you still have 50% of your trade in here, so you guys can exit profitably whenever you would like. Where's the next exit? I am strongly going to recommend to you guys get the trend exhaustion on your chart because here's my official call and you must be watching this. The moment this pushes up here and gets to the top red section, I am going to be looking to take at least 25 to 50% of the exit on this trade, which I believe will put us close to the break-even entry once the trend exhaustion pushes to the top red section. This indicator is going up in 9 days. You guys have 9 days left, and I will be upping the price of this indicator. Go over here to simply the indicators tab, scroll down. Here's the trend exhaustion. Here's the trend dashboard, price versus well money flow. The bundle is the best thing to get because it is not going up in price, guys. I'm going to keep this the same while the other indicators increase in price. This is going to basically be appreciated in value if you guys get that. So that is my official call here. I will be going to the metrics just really quick for Ethereum, but I want to get over to the other videos. Great job for all of you guys who are going to just basically guarantee yourself for winning this trade. Looking at the money flow here, look at this. Right when we dip down to the bottom section here, right when the trend exhaustion dipped down to the bottom here, we ended up seeing a move back up in Ethereum. Guys, like, I'm going to show you something on Dogecoin today where it's like this indicator has literally called, like, I think it's like 14 out of the last 15 moves on Dogecoin, it's insane. Like, yes, this indicator was able to call the drop before it happened up here. And if you guys look at this I've told you this before, when this pushes into the top red section, which it did right around this area, and it overextends itself, this is when you need to watch for some of the biggest drops in the market, okay? Let me prove this to you guys again over here. When this pushes up into the top red section right here, yes, we were able to call this drop in the market right here, overextend itself, and then it came back down, okay? Looking in the past, we also called the top here as it moved back down. You can see over here it called the top as well before we saw it move back down with these top positions. This indicator also comes with alerts that you guys can set up. So literally right when the white line comes into the top red section, you can get an alert to your phone or your email or through TradingView to let you know, hey, heads up, we hit the top, we might go down, we hit the bottom, we might be moving up here very soon, we hit the bottom, you might want to look to get in here because the price is about to move back up, or over and over. I can show you this move right here. It called that move right here. It called this move, and it also called this move right here that we just moved down to at the bottom section, which is right around this area, an overextension, and then a move back up, which is putting all of you guys in profit this morning, and it made you guys have another win on the channel, okay? So that's what my official call is this morning. I'll update this a little bit here. You guys are looking for an exit at about 5.32%. Really quick, guys, I'm going to fly through the metrics this morning for Ethereum. I just did a video yesterday, but for those of you guys who are brand new to the channel, I want to show this to you guys. These are what are called our metrics. They update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning, as well as our metrics for all the live trades. Just get over here and get into some trades, guys. The market is so low right now. I highly suggest if I could just come through this computer and just look you in the eyes and be like, hey, I know a lot of crazy stuff's going on in the market right now, but it is the best times to be buying right now and dollar cost averaging in with our system, okay? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update. We were pushing yesterday into the neutral section. This basically said, you know what? We've gotten down to the anxious and fearful section before. What has happened is historically the price has moved back up. This is what I was watching for yesterday. I thought we were going to get a little bit more of a drop back down to anxiousness, but it's totally fine. What you guys ended up doing was setting up your buy limits for Ethereum, and you all got picked up. Congratulations for following this channel and just, I don't want to say doing what I said, but good job for getting into that buy limit, guys, because you all made money this morning. So we're sitting neutral at the moment. It makes sense. Long versus short trades. This is showing us that short trades were increasing the last few days here, and long trades are staying the same. This is just not a bullish factor for us. That's why the market, I believe, has just been heading down further. Maybe in anticipation of the news, part of the news, whatever it is, guys, we are still showing this as just a little bit bearish in the market still. So for the reason of that, that's why I'm calling a 50% exit, because I do believe cryptocurrency in general, I'm talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum as a whole, could actually see a little bit more of a pushback down here. And this could actually continue. If it doesn't and it moves back up here and we also actually see the trend exhaustion push to the top side and money flow starting to buy back into the market, awesome. You guys have 50% in your trade still riding, all right? Those of you guys who are not in your trade, I would highly suggest go back and set up the first buy limit, and you guys will, and if we go back down, you'll get tagged back in, and then you guys will make money going back up. So that's actually a really good strategy this morning too. Okay, long versus short trade risk. This is clearly showing us that this is a good long trade to be setting up for. Well, guys, good job, everybody who simply followed the metrics. You guys got into the long trade by coming over here. You are simply going right here to the front page. Let me get this off here real quick. You're going to go to the front page where it says live trades, and you're going to click this. Open this up, as well as all the other coins here. Get your 4 buy limits in, and you guys can get set up for the next trade. Guys, this is 39 for 39 winning trades on this channel. We have not lost a trade yet. I'm still managing some, clearly, as you guys can see, like even the one I'm in, and I'll keep you guys updated. Now, take a look at this. If you guys follow this up here, when we start seeing, this price action start moving down very fast, what usually happens, guys, is we see retail traders selling. If that's not obvious, look at all the red candles in here. Like selling, or this could actually be people shorting. But Coinbase Exchange, I think a lot of people were selling. Quick reasons why. A lot of people FOMO'd into the top up here. A lot of people FOMO'd into the top up here. They saw this structure break here. They got scared and they sold their position because they've been losing the whole time. Everyone who bought up here was getting very excited, like, oh my gosh, we're going up, guys. We're about to hit break even again. And then it just, I'm sorry, I'm laughing. But then it literally just crashes out on them. And they're like, okay, I give up and I sell. That is honestly something that happens. And if you guys are using our system, we are dollar cost averaging in, and we are not nervous about these dips at all. I literally have people emailing me saying, Travis, I hope the price goes down further because I want to get more money into the market. I'm like, yes, you guys get it now. Like, our traders are wanting the market to go down. Like, our traders, if the market goes up, we're making money. But our traders are like, I hope the market goes down further so we can make even more money. It's just insane once you guys start understanding the strategy of this. Okay, anxiousness and fearfulness entering into the market, people selling. What is the wells and institutions doing? What are we doing? What did you just do? You just traded with the wells and institutions and smart money where you acquired your long trade and we're ending up selling today. Great job, guys. You are literally trading with wells and institutions. I coded this metric after working with hedge funds. This one as well as the emotional index, guys, and they use them. This is why I think my average coaching client has between $100,000 and $1 million that I coach, okay? I'm telling them, if you see the market go down like this, you need to be watching the emotions of the market. Guys, get your membership up here. It's literally $49 a month, and you get all of this data for each of these coins. When you start seeing anxiety and fearfulness enter the market for all the retail traders because price is going down, you are going to see the acquisition of long trades from all of the wells and institutions so they can buy all the fear and anxiety of retail traders, their sell positions. The retail traders are creating the liquidity for long trades to be placed for wells and institutions. That's the best way I can say that. What happened down here, guys? They went long. Yes, the metrics are calling these pumps in the market like perfectly. We all went long yesterday. For those of you guys who got in, now you're exiting in the profit. So great job. Congratulations. All right, support resistance prices, and I'm going to end this video after this because I want to get over to Dogecoin. So down here, we ended up getting very close to the wick value low, which is basically at the psychological level of $3,000. Well, we hit $3,000 and then we wicked down really far here and then we moved back up. So was that a stop hunt to the downside? It possibly could have been, but I just think it's simply a rebound of people buying because the price was so low. I honestly think that's what it was. I'm going to get this video out quick because I want you guys to exit, literally market order exit 50% right now at that price so you guys can get out of this. I'm going to go a little fast here. If you guys bought in anywhere down here, great job. You guys ended up still holding your positions for 5 to 10 years. Awesome. Most likely, if we keep heading down, we're going to get another green bar, which will be such a ridiculous buy-in for all of you guys following this metric over here. Like, great job, guys. This is literally for the guys that I talk to who have hundreds of thousands. They're like, Travis, give me a signal I can check every single morning throughout the week. And if I get a green bar, I'm going to throw in $10,000. Literally, that's what people are doing with this metric here. It hasn't come out because you should not be buying anywhere up here for long-term holds. If you're not going to dollar cost average, you need to get really good low entries. So guys, if a green line comes out here, it's most likely going to be down here pretty far. And that's going to be a great entry for long-term holds. Okay, this is for holding, HODO. All right, guys. All right, so exit points is called the top perfectly up here, and then we're looking at this, obviously move back down to the bottom side. Great job for everyone who has the metrics over here, and you're following this. Real quick, guys, just for fun, you guys probably saw this yesterday. I'm going to be adding more to this, but this is literally people who have our indicators and our membership, like $1,800, $500 in 12 hours, 24% on ADA, $300 on ADA, like $4,000 to $5,000 here. Like, it's just so much. Tired of missing out. Got subscribed, got your metrics. Boom, fist. Like, that's just so cool. $1,000 in USD, $4,000 to $5,000 down here. You made one Ethereum. That's super cool. Anyway, $700 here, whatever. Go through, look at all of them, have fun. I'm literally adding new ones every single week. I'm going to be batching them in here. So I already have 4 more testimonials I'm going to be adding to this before Friday when I go over. So you guys are doing so good, and it's just really exciting to be working with you guys. Make sure you come over here, get the indicator bundle pack. It is the only thing that's not going to be going up in price over the next few months before the end of the year. That's going to be the best thing for you guys to do. Snag that. It automatically gives you the source code so you can get the indicators on your chart. That's what I want you guys to be following over here. For those of you guys who are especially in this trade, it's one of the best indicators ever to call the tops and the bottoms of crypto, and I've coded indicators for tradingview.com for a living. Guys, for a living 2 years ago, and I can tell you these are like there's a reason why I only use these 3 indicators, and we are 39 for 39 winning trades now, okay? So this is, please understand that. Watch it. And then come over here and guys, get your membership. Try not to turn this into a sales video. But seriously, guys, like, the reason why I point this out is that you do not have another, like, I personally don't believe, and I've heard this from people as well, so I'm not just saying this myself, for $49 a month to get access to all these metrics of the wells and institutions as well as all the trade setups, it literally is the cheapest membership out there you guys can possibly find. I really do believe that. So anyways, I just want to point that out, guys. God bless you so much. I hope you guys are having such a good week. We're doing so well over here. 39 for 39 winning trades. Come over, subscribe, get the indicators. Let's see what happens here. Exit 50%, and this will be a official call. This is going to be an exit right around 4.86%, wherever you guys see the current video coming out, and then put your stop loss at the entry. Guaranteed winning trade for all of you guys, and I'll cover Dogecoin right after this video. God bless you guys. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.